Here we go. Magkano to?
This is 20 Singaporean dollars.
Anong nga ba ang difference ng Singaporean
convert
dollars?
natin.
Sige, mag-convert ka habang ako papakita ko muna to sa ating mga kapuso. Kapuso! Makulay ang buhay. Kapuso.
This is 900.
Ay, talaga?
900 pesos.
Actually, ito yung type ko kasi may ligaw sa libro. And it's
But what
it's a book. It's a book. See? On the side.
How much is it?
Yan ang hindi ko alam. Tingnan mo.
It is 45. So 1.5. Nasa 1.5.
Uy, pwede. Ang tanong, gagamitin ko ba? Wait, pag-isipan natin. Limited.
How much? Which is which?
It's a book. And you know I love books. So this is me. Ano ba ginawa ni Galinda?
Dear Galinda, you were just too good. I wanted to reach you, but I couldn't reach you. May ganun ako sabi.
Okay, so sasakay na kami ng Sentosa Express. Libre lang ito ha, libre. Ang Sentosa Express ay kailangan sakyan para pumunta kami sa Vivo City kasi lilipat na kami ng hotel. So now, it's time to explore the city. Or rather, look for food in the city. Because when I'm in Singapore, I have to eat laksa. Here we go. Bye, Sentosa. For good. We keep singing Wicked song, oo. LSS kami. Aray ko puka shells, narinig niyo yun. Sabi ko puka shells, wala akong sinabing hindi maganda. Hoy, saan kayo pumunta ni Kaloy?
Naghahanap ng paglulos tayo ng pera.
And to think, dala-dala pa namin yung maleta namin. Kasi numuulan sa labas, kaya okay lang.
Better time here habang nagpapatila.
Yeah, why not? Guess what? So, the middle of walking, nag-voice over ako. Tumigil ako sandali, nag-voice over ako para sa 24 oras. Kasi lalabas na nila ang aking report tungkol sa nadatnan ko kahapon sa Weekend for Good. Hi! Ang aking report. Sinulat ko hanggang alas 3 ng umaga. Pero okay lang yun. Work is work. And I love my job.
And now, since your work is done,
And my work is done, so lumalakad kami. Kahit hindi kami bumibili kasi cheap kami. Starbucks Barista Bear na Merlion. 39.90. So ako rounded off. Go CDs up. So 2,000. Yes, I calculate in Chinese. I know, right? Okay, let's calculate some more. Magkano?
ay nako, $40 din.
Huwag na. Eto na, maglalaksa na ako. It's been a while. It's been a long while. So I'm getting this one. Medyo mahal siya. $18. Pero sige, papatulang ko na. Basta masarap. Laksa. Wow! Eto na! I got the jumbo one. My first laksa for this trip to Singapore. Prawn. I'm allergic to prawn, pero hindi pwedeng maglaksa na hindi prawn. Wala lang. It's my thing. Disturbo ang hair. Kailangan magtali. This is the largest size. I opted for it just because I know I can finish it. I trust myself and my abilities. My abilities talaga. I know. Shenanigans in Singapore.
I need a drink.
This is Singapore. I really, really love it. it's breakfast and lunch at the same time. Actually, di pa kami nag-breakfast pero lunch na to because we're here at Old Changi since 1959. And yan, kami ni Kaloy kakain dito. Just so you see what they have that's so popular here. It's actually the curry puff. Okay? Medyo mahal ang pagkain talaga sa Singapore, kaya tiis ganda na lang, basta kakain kami. At kanina pa namin naamoy yung chicken, malayo pa lang.
Oo, ito na.
So order na kami sa loob. Gusto ko ng kaya toast, tapos chicken.
that. Yes, definitely.
Me and my friend here ordered this. Or should I say, these. Oh my God, excited na ako kumain. I don't even know where to start because we have so much food. No, breakfast, which is kaya. Okay. Lamonitis po ang sakit namin dalawa ni Kaloy. Oh. Okay, padip ha. So ito yung egg, soft-boiled. Very, very soft-boiled.
Kinain natin.
Sarap. Ang sarap. Oh my gosh, galiwaw. Last piece. Oh my God. Magpapretend ako may konting finesse pa ako. Pretending. Holy mackerel. Oh yeah. Dumadami ng tao. At lahat locals. Chicken. So good. Nasi lemak, pero wet
Wet curry.
curry, ayan. Oh yeah. Diet. Pag nasa ibang bansa ka, walang dieta. Walang dieta. Tumatakas yung mani. Sarap yan pag dinip mo yan. Ako, putik. Grabe. Holy mackerel. This is good food. I love it. Our choice is great. So lahat ng half po, kinain ko na. Si Kaloy na-give up na. Which means yung malaki ang tiyan ko sa kanya. Ito yung kanya to ha.
Sa
Kanya rin itong...
konting share pa dyan.
Sa'yo yung
Sausage.
crab kasi nga I'm allergic to crab.
Sa akin din yung half ng
Half
dalawa.
niya yung curry. Masarap ang curry, bro. Yan ang pinagmamalaki nila. Kailangan kainin mo.
Hinga lang ako, hinga ako.
Tapos half ng sesame. Ako nasa... Oh, meron pa tayong dessert. Sorry. Bad word. Kailangan mo kunin yung dessert natin. So, like I told you, I love black sesame in any form. So, let me enjoy this one with you.
Come on.
Because it's so good. Damn, dude, it's so good.
I'll get that.
Kikita nyo to? Enjoy it. It's going to disappear very soon. Baboy lang eh.
Tapos sinabaw ko rin ito. What's this?
Bakit may pagkain yung hair mo?
Kumakain din siya.
Bastos. Sige na nga, tutulungan na nga kita sa curry. Ay, gusto mo ito curry?
Tutulungan?
Hindi! Masarap siya!
Help
Ay,
yourself.
andyan na pala.
Help yourself.
Sige nga. Oh my God.
I'm satisfied with my care.
Okay.
Baymax pala.
Gotta go. Ito yung half ni Kaloy. Yung sesame niya, ang dami oh. Wala lang. May miss kita, Bone.
Oo, yung pagkalala.
Bye-bye. Yung pwede lagyan na lagyan ng coins. Lagyan natin ng coins bago mawala. Wala na to.
Tatikman na natin. Ina.
It's hot outside. Very, very. Kaya ganito suot ko. Init eh. May mancha pa. Bye, Singapore. It was fun. It's time to go home.